Hi everyone. We are making and mixing different colors today. So if you have a project and you run out of colors, say you don't have purple, and you're like, oh no, I might not be able to finish it. Well, I'm going to show different colors that you would use, combine the colors to make those colors that you might be missing. Okay, now if you have red paint, blue paint, yellow paint, and you have white paint, you can make almost any color that you want. Okay, so the first color that we're going to make, I'm going to mix two to make green. Okay, we're going to take some yellow to make green. I'm going to take some yellow here. It's going to make a little green so you can see the color, how it's going to change. You can also get a little container with a little screw top on it, and you can pour it in there, and like it takes a lot of yellow and it would only take a little blue. So if you put it in a container, you put a lot of yellow and a little blue, like if it's an ounce or half an ounce, then you put like yellow and put like 1/4 of the blue in there. So because the blue is overpowering, it will overpower the yellow. Okay, so we are making green. Okay, now you can see right here, I put that blue, and the blue is only like 1/4 of that yellow. Because I did one little scoop of the blue, and look at it. See how it's turning to green? So if you're looking for green, put blue and yellow, mostly yellow, and like only 1/4 blue. You see how that turned to green right here? Now, if I want it to be darker green, just put a little bit more blue in it. See how it's turning a little bit darker? You know, you might have two-tone colored leaves or something. You say, okay, I need a little bit darker. So you use a little bit more blue to turn that green into a deeper green. You say, okay, what if I need a really, really, really dark green? Just a little more blue. You see how that that green is getting even darker. You have lighter over here, and it's darker over here. Because more blue you add, the darker the green will become. Okay. So that's yellow plus blue. You got your green. Now, let's create another color. Let's go to orange. We're going to use the red and the yellow. Mostly yellow now because we're going to orange. Okay, I'm putting the yellow over here. See, I moved it from over here, get away from the yellow. Okay, now we're just going to use a little red. Red is very powerful, so be careful. I'm going to use like 1/4 of the red to turn this into orange. But you know what? See how overpowering the red is and whatnot? This is like a dark orange. A red orange or a dark orange. So you see how just putting extra or more of a color in there can change the color, and a lot of it can make it like really, really dark. So this right here is like 3/4 yellow and 1/4 red, and it made a dark orange. Now if you want to make a lighter orange, you could just take that darker orange and put it beside it. Okay, put it beside it, and I'm going to add more yellow. Just use a little of that orange and mix it. You see how it's turning into lighter orange. It's a little bit lighter than that one over there. So just only use a little bit of that with the yellow, and it will lighten up, get a lighter color orange. Okay, now let's go to the next color. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we are mixing colors. So if you run out of colors in the middle of painting, you don't have to worry about you're going to be able to finish. Just take the colors, red, yellow, and blue. With those three colors, you can make almost any color. So we're making different colors. Now this orange, now when you put it in a container, like if you want to make it orange, you put like 3/4 of the yellow in the container, and then only like 1/4 red, or maybe even 1/8 red. okay, because red is overpowering. Then you can add the other colors to make it darker. It's better to go lighter and then make it darker than to be dark and it takes so much to make it lighter. Now let's go to the next color. Now let's make brown, because brown like trees and stuff, and if you run out of brown, you can make your brown. Now brown is made from green and red. Now I just moved a little of this green to right here, and now we're going to put just a teeny bit of red first. Okay, put red mixed with the green, and what we're trying to do is make a brown. You see how it's beginning to turn brown? Okay, it's like 1/4 red and 3/4 green. Yes, it's coming out pretty good. You see how that made brown? Red and green make brown. So start out with like 3/4 green, and then put a little like 1/8, and then go to 1/4 red, and then to make your color brown. Okay, you can see that's brown. Okay, and let me see if I put a little more to it. Let me see a little more red on the end to see if it's going to change the brown to a darker or reddish looking brown. Now it lighten it up a little bit. You got like a reddish brown. See, like when you add extra, this one is adding more red to it instead of 1/4. How this side and this side, this is a little bit a redder color brown. Hope you can see that. It's a redder color brown. The more red you add into it, it changes the brown to like a redder looking color. Okay, now let's go to, let's go to purple. I love purple. Now let's go to purple. Purple, this thing is blue. Let me see if I get this right here. Blue first. Okay, I'm going to use more blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to start off with just 4. See what this and just a little red is going to do. See what type of purple it's going to make and whatnot. So, okay, it's really, 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 really dark. Okay, that's like a blue violet. As you can see that color. You see that purple. See the purple? I'm trying to see it. The color is the light shining right. So if you see that purple, the light shining right. I put a little more red with it. It made it, the purple became more of a brighter purple because I put more red to it. Okay, so I think with purple it's more red than blue. More red than blue for purple. Okay, put a little more red right here. Okay. Now you can see that purple coming in. I'm hoping that this light is good enough. You see the purple? Purple, purple, purple. More red than blue makes purple. Okay, and it's a little red makes like violet blue or something. And see. So, well, here are the basics colors that you can have. The basic colors that we mix from red, yellow, and blue. Okay, now if you want, as you can see the purple, yes, purple. I love purple. Purple is pretty. Now if you want something a little bit lighter, just put some white. You said, where did the white come in? This is where white comes in. It can make the purple lighter. Yes, look at that, light purple. Light purple. It's how you can mix all these colors and you come up with so many different colors. So many different colors just from them 3 and white. You come up with so many different colors. Then we're going to make one more color. And you see how now we got a light purple? We're making one more color. Can you guess what that's going to be? It's going to be, first starting with white. You said white just sitting over there. It had a purpose. Okay? White. And now, teeny tiny red. A teeny tiny teeny, teeny, tiny bit. Oh, that's probably too much. See, dab it out if it's too much. I'm thinking it's too much. And I'm mixing red with this. And yes, you guessed it. It's pink. I'm making pink. Yes, pink is pretty, like pink flowers and pink roses. You put a little red, it's light pink. See how you just took them three colors, red, yellow, and blue, how we created orange and orange red, light red, green, purple, brown, green, lighter purple, using the white, and it's turned it into pink. Now if you wanted a darker color pink, put more red. And now it is a deep pink. It's better to start off with the light and put a little of the dark color because the dark color is overpowering. Remember, start with the less powering color because the color be so powerful it won't even change it. It's like I put just a little red, even though it made it darker. I had to put a teeny tiny red here and then more red here, and it still made it pink. See that pink? The darker pink. The darker pink. So here are some basic colors that you can make. And I think I'm going to try something, one more thing. I don't know how this is going to turn out. It's red, blue, and a little green. Let's see. Red, yellow, blue, and green. Let's see. A little more blue. It turned to a funny color. Turned to like a different color purple, a different type of purple from the other purple. Sometimes you can mix a little bit more of others and then have a little kind of a different hue of a purple. Okay, there's the basic colors, and you can buy black as by itself and whatnot. It's too much trouble to try to make black, but you can make black from those colors. Okay, see how you made so many colors just from them three, red, blue, and yellow, and the white. You got pink, purple, blue, orange, brown, green, all from the first three colors. Okay, now you can paint and you don't have to worry about if you run out of colors. If you have those three, red, blue, and yellow, you can make almost any color, and white. You can make almost any color and continue your artwork without having to run into the store. Okay. See you at my channel. I will pretty soon be drawing pictures. So see you at my channel. And there may be other paint colors that's on there right now, but you can also be able to paint with me in the future. I will be putting paint. So subscribe so you can get my pictures, and also we'll be doing sketching also. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.